Spark Hansraj in collaboration with Hit Bullseye, a fast-growing edtech company in India. We would also like to thank Hit Bullseye for partnering with us in a recently concluded annual event, Apocalypse 2021. Today, we have with us the brand manager of Hit Bullseye and IMR alumnus, Mr. Palash Gupta, who is an academician and marketeer from the core of his heart. He has been mentoring students for management exams and bringing them closer to their dream B school. Spark is elated to have him as a speaker for the webinar on managerial skills and best time to get ahead in the post pandemic economy. Thank you, sir, for joining in, and I'll let you take over from here. Sir, you're mute right now.
Yeah. So am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you for the introduction. First of all, good evening, everyone, and thank you for taking out time. I hope that in this interaction we both learn something and something to take ahead in life. So I've named this session as managerial skills that I believe can help us sail through this post-pandemic world. Before I go on, I just want to tell you that um, I am an engineer and I've done my post graduation, and it has been some 30 years in which I've worked in 4 or 5 different type of companies. So I would love to give you insights that I've learned and the skills that I believe have helped me and can help you in your corporate career ahead. So before I start with my presentation, I would love to know, if what are your future plans? Like currently, I believe that you guys are in your second year of BCom. Some might be in their final year. So what are your plans to, post BCom? And any one of you want to share, you can, just write it in the chat. Meanwhile, I'll set up my PPT. Okay, Nirbhay is aiming for CA, right? Anyone, if you don't have any plan, that is also not a problem. You can write that. I just want not to be, boring, because this is not a lecture. I'm not going to teach anything. I just want to share my experience and, make something out of it. So Ritik is saying MBA. So is Karthik. So any plan, if you don't have any specific plan, you can just write, still planning or something. Okay. Great. So everyone who has been, I'll try to know more about you and give you insight. If you can, if you keep on chatting with me, I'll know that you guys are listening and the energy is not getting wasted. So it would be amazing. Okay. Those of you who have shared, great. So I've made a small PPT and let me know if you're able to see it. Once I get the confirmation, then I'll start. Okay. Great. So Paris wants to start his own startup. Good luck with that. Great. Are you able to see my presentation?
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Okay. Okay, then let's start. Um, so I believe that whatever has happened in the last year, it has kind of reshaped the kind of jobs that are in demand, and so we need to be prepared accordingly. And I believe that there are some skills which are going to be more in demand in the coming years. So let's start with a very basic question: where do you spend most of your time? If you think about life in general, then what takes most of the life? So I keep wanna see my chat while I'm presenting. Okay. So if you think about it, most of our life we are working, and that is where the majority of time that we are living on this planet is going to be, right? So to be honest, the kind of work that we are doing defines a lot about um, the overall experience that we have. So that's what is going to be the focal point. I want to talk about the kind of jobs that are there in the market, and it will at least make you curious. All right, so let's jump straight. What do you think are, if you search on Google, the top skills that are required for 2021, right? So in this year, if you want to get recruited, or next year, what are the skills you think are really um, you might be in demand if you have those skills? So let's just write down in the chat what do you think are the skills that are required, right? So Karthik said data science, which is very, very correct. MS Excel, definitely it has been one of the skills that you cannot miss. Yes, communication, right, Nirbhay? Okay, leadership, of course. In leadership is a skill that is in general required. With time, it is more important. So yes, we have communication twice, which actually makes sense because communication is the core skill that is required. You cannot proceed further without good communication. Okay. Saksham is saying blockchain, which is absolutely correct. Artificial intelligence, cryptocurrency, blockchain. These are something which we do not have, uh, you know, core knowledge about, but still we get to hear these words. So definitely these are the jobs of the future. Correct. So, okay, I'll get back to the PPT now. So this is what I think. If we talk about the most important skills, now to give you a background, after my engineering, I did my internship during that time. Then I went on for my first job. That is one experience. After that, I did my MBA, and a lot of things happened during the 2 years. But post MBA, I have experience of four different kind of experience. So I want to share that and actually emphasize जो भी मैं बता रहा हूँ, that is something that has happened with me, and the best part about it is that I'm presenting it as it is. So with my experience, I'm just trying to let you know, first of all, what kind of jobs are there in the market, and second, what kind of jobs, different kind of jobs you have to hop through until you find which you can call your calling. So first skill is analytical thinking. Very, very important. Why? you know um, Technology is actually outpacing us, and if we talk about us youngsters, I'm not very old, I'm 28, you guys are what, 22, 23. um, so a lot of things that we do on social media is considered an actual skill. So if you're able to see the insights of an Instagram post, and actually you're kind of getting an idea of how how your communication is being recepted by the market, so that is a great skill. Analytical thinking is that kind of a skill which how you solve a problem quickly, smartly, and sometimes these problems are something which you're seeing for the first time. For example, how to how to actually get the the increasing number of cases in the right hospital facility. So that is something which has not happened before in India. We did not have that kind of an emergency, right? So a lot of frontline doctors, they might have done such analytical thinking in a very short time. Next, we have critical thinking. These are not fancy words; these are actual words which are used in an interview. So critical thinking is little bit different. When you talk about actual data, when you talk about logic and reasoning, then the kind of inference that you take, that involves critical. So you need both analytical and critical. The third type of thinking is creative thinking. So just like we have a gymnast, so you need to be that mind gymnast. What kind of video you need to put on YouTube which gets that viral effect? What kind of marketing strategy can you put now to launch a new product in, let's say, a very competitive market? So that's creative thinking. Then we have a very important skill and something relatively new. It's called emotional intelligence. So how you manage your emotions. If you get a thrashing from some customer on social media, how beautifully you manage it and come out as a winner. If your immediate boss talks about non-productivity and how you talk about your task in hand and prove him wrong, or I don't know, learn from it. So your emotional intelligence is very important. Fifth skill, that is negotiation skills. Most of the time, the kind of job you will be doing after 5 or 10 years will be around something that is being sold or some service that is being rendered. So a lot of deals and negotiations are involved, and you need to know how to barter and how to come out as a winner. Finally, as you guys said, leadership, a very important and must have skill. I do not need to explain that, but it is very important. So among these 6 skills, which skill do you think you guys possess that will I'm just trying to make conversation so you don't sleep in between. So what are the kind of skills that you think among these 6? Archit says critical thinking. Once you analyze, you might find multiple skills that you can relate to. And if you can relate to it, you want to, get better at it. That's how you develop a skill. So, just Archit, बाकी लोग बताओ यार please. Thank you, Payal. So, critical thinking again. ठीक है. Pranay, Nirbhay, Ritik, Archit, all those who are active, keep on typing, Right. Okay. So I think my message was that, when you think about these things in your second year, you get enough time to be prepared for your corporate experience, right? So that's the whole point. You should know the keywords. Okay. So I'll move ahead now. Okay. So guys, I have done my MBA from IIM Rohtak, and the best part about being in a tier 1 college is you get to meet like-minded people who are from completely diverse background, right? So if you talk about it, I had a CA when I was in IIM Rohtak. I had Mayank Banka, who was he completed his chartered accountancy, started his own practice, wanted to learn about business, and parallelly he did his MBA. Then we had a lawyer. A lot of lawyers, they go for a higher degree, which can help them to set up their own business. Basically, when you talk about any business aspect of any industry, then MBA goes a very long way. I had a person, Sayyam, who is from Merchant Navy, and after 3 years on the ship, he decided to go for his MBA, and now he's in a digital marketing company. So a lot of IITians, a lot of engineers, a lot of people from the arts background, they kind of get an advantage also, in the top colleges because they want diversity. So a lot of students from the industry of hotel management, they also, you know, why are they all going towards the MBA? So I'll tell you what happens once you start earning. So you learn a skill and then you earn. And when you prove that you're good at it, then you're kind of given some other job. And when you prove there, then you finally get a team and you delegate your work. And then the leadership and communication comes and you finally reach to higher levels. What MBA does is it actually gets those skills in the curriculum, and it kind of saves a lot of years of constant working because you're already considered as a manager. So post MBA, the kind of jobs that I was getting, the kind of uh, you know work and team that I was getting is completely different to the kind of job that I did post my engineering. So that's the beauty of this degree. A lot of people make amazing memories and have a great time, get what they expect out of their degree. A lot of people don't make the best use of their MBA, so we always find examples anyway. But MBA helps, in most of the cases. So yeah, let's see the chat again. What else, guys? Anything so far? We are already kind of halfway through it. Anything you want to share? Anything you like? Any comments you have? Because any comment from your side really tells me that you guys are not thinking about anything else. I have your complete attention. So anyone? Yes, Nirbhay. Most of the time, I think that is the number one factor we think about MBA. But I have a very different take, which I really want to share with you, right? So glad you reminded me about that. Other than Nirbhay, बाकी लोग any comments? अब तुम लोग आए हो फ्राइडे को. I know it's kind of like the weekend and we have a great Saturday Sunday ahead. तो अभी जो भी तुम बात करोगे, it will actually help you to understand. तो करो, इसका यूज करो. Yeah, Nitish has asked a good question. So should we do it from India or abroad? Okay, I'll answer that because meanwhile you guys can put more questions. So Nitish, to be honest, right now if you think about it, a lot of countries, they are de-globalizing, and the way it works, they are actually favoring locals for jobs because of the scarcity of job and everything. But in terms of education, if you get a premium college in India and if you get a premium college abroad, I would always prefer abroad because it's a global experience and there are so many amazing things that are available. If you ask me, if you can get a very good percentile and targeted institutes in India, financially it's better. Second, if I want to live in India in the long run, if I want to take the experience and get back to my land in the long run, then indigenous degree always helps. अब यहाँ पे IIT और IIM ही पता है ना हमारे पेरेंट्स को. They don't know any any school in foreign. Similarly, in foreign, apart from IIT and IIMs, I don't know if they know any local college. So that's how it works. We can get on a personal conversation there and discuss. But the best thing is, सबका ना syllabus same ही होता है. So if you're preparing for CAT, you're kind of preparing for other non-CAT exams as well as GMAT, GRE, which you give to go abroad. Okay? I hope it makes sense. Baki we can discuss in detail. Poonam is saying, um, yes. So, personally speaking, MBA to me was a chance to forget about the 4 years of engineering and start fresh, 2 years of MBA. I was in the oil and gas industry, which was kind of boring, and I did not want to get into it. So I wanted to completely change my industry. You see, MBA, the major purpose is to be able to get through a lot of doors, a lot of new doors open. So she has very beautifully said that it opens wider opportunities. Correct. So I think Archit is also talking about on the same lines that MBA from outside India, given that COVID situation. So let's get some perspective. Right now in 2021, let's assume we are in our second year. 2022 June, we will be completing the college, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. So if we give the exam in November 2022, in 2023 June, we will, enter the college, B school. So we're talking about 2023, and we are very sure that by that time the world will be one place again. And that being said, you should aim for both colleges, the best colleges in India as well as abroad, and then see, what works. Because most of the time, a lot of other factors are involved. You need to get your, um, other documents cleared. You need to know that the kind of investment that is required. So it's a different game altogether. Um, how much is B school journey affected in times of pandemic? Not really, to be honest. अभी अगर हम देखेंगे तो फिर we are very much hopeful that the campus life will be on, because personally I also believe that MBA life is all about the campus life, not this online thing. But as I said before, in 2023 you will be entering the B school, and by the time you complete it, it will be 2025. So who knows how it will be? It's only going to get better with time, and that is why it is the best time to actually do your MBA. I often see people talking that ROI is not justified. So Jill, to be honest, there is a college called FMS जिसके अंदर select होने के लिए we need 99 plus percentile in CAT. उसका total fees 2 लाख से भी कम है, और जो average package आता है that is around 14 to 16. हाँ ठीक है, it is an exception. उसके अलावा ना there is this college called UBS Chandigarh, which is again just under 1 lakh you get your MBA. And then there is this the packages are great. I think you can easily expect 10 LPA package. Other than that, if you talk about all the IITs, it's a great bet. I think 8 lakh it is for IIT Delhi. Correct me if I'm wrong. And when I did it from IIM Rohtak, it was 12 lakh. तो अगर मैं उसको एज इट इज देखूं तो मेरा जो स्टार्टिंग पैकेज था दैट वाज ओनली 10 लाख, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. तो मेरे को 2 लाख का नुकसान ही हुआ है, इफ यू थिंक इन दैट वे. But the kind of job that I'm doing, I'm going to earn throughout my life. And right now you're hearing me because I am from the IIM alumni, and it kind of gives you some confidence कि चलो इनकी सुन लेते हैं. So you can never compare that ROI thing. We are anyway going to earn throughout our life, right? I hope that makes sense. हाँ, तो नितेश ने बहुत अच्छी बात करी. नितेश, दिस इज काइंड ऑफ अ मिथ. पता है, जो जॉब एक्सपीरियंस की जहां तक बात है ना, you all remember your first job, you always remember your first crush, you always remember your first bike. And in the similar way, if you are in your final year, you get a job and you start working, and maybe it's an entry level job, and you get there to gain work experience. But after 2 long years of work experience, if you are not in a good job, then that is not actually counted as a very good experience. In interview also, it is amazing to talk about your job experience, your internship, but it should be kind of worth talking. It should be something that connects with MBA. So if you don't have a job experience, then you're considered in a very different way. You're considered as a fresher, and it is kind of you need more points to talk about in your interview. That is for sure. But when the final placement happened in my year, a lot of freshers went on for jobs such as relationship management. They went for jobs such as
अरे डट जा
social
बेटे.
social media expert. So there are a lot of different kind of jobs that they prefer freshers for, and there are jobs like consulting and others in which experience is important. So that's how it works. Okay. In case you guys want to talk more, please keep on writing questions. That is the only benefit of this medium. अभी के लिए I think I have answered. So let's get back to my PPT. थोड़ी सी और बच रही है. Okay. So as we talked about, MBA is something which different kind of people are doing. Now, why is it a smart idea if you are planning to go for an MBA now? ठीक है, वैसे तो we have talked about it, but एक बार मैंने pointers बनाए थे. जैसे कि मैं अभी बोल रहा था कि you will never forget about your first job. Don't you want your first job to be something which you can actually develop into a career? For example, there are entry-level data jobs which require a lot of knowledge about data analytics. ठीक है? It takes 2 to 3 years to actually understand how these Google campaigns work and how do you analyze the data. And all of this was part of the digital marketing course in my back in my MBA. And when I started working with Hit Bullseye, it's very interesting that I entered as a as a mentor for CAT, but eventually I ended up as managing the social media, and now I'm working as the brand manager. So even I go and I record YouTube videos, I edit them myself, and I love doing this because the kind of job that I'm doing, it involves a lot of creativity, it involves a lot of skills that are getting updated as I speak in the market. So the kind of job that you get actually defines your experience in corporate, and once you're prepared with your MBA, you can hope for better profiles and more creative jobs. Second, economy definitely is going to bounce back. This year is going to be a little bit slow. Maybe next year will be slower. But in case you plan to go for your MBA, by the time you come out 2024-25, there will be a great boom because that's how economy works. When you go down, you go up. So that swing, we can actually make good use of it, and you can expect good placements during the time you graduate, postgraduate, right? Third, obviously you can apply for more and better options. It's really funny, but I recently got married, and while the wedding 1 year ahead, I kind of did, at the back of my mind I had this confidence that within a month I think I'll find something better. And this arrogance and this confidence, it comes when you have a good degree to back working good, and I left it without back. And good work, first of all, good work ethics, because I really love my work and I work very nicely. But at the same time, you have this idea that you are better than the average Indian, and you can get through the interview. So that's really helpful once you complete your degree in a young age. And that is the final point. Young minds are better suited. I had someone who had 10 years of work experience studying next to me in my IIM Rohtak years. I had someone who recently got married and, finally filed for a divorce at the end of his second year because of, not being able to manage studies. And then there were these little kids who were fresh out of their college and they were having a gala time, because you're young, you don't have to worry about not earning. While you're doing your MBA, you're not earning. So more at a later stage, most of the people, they kind of repent not doing a proper MBA, and we get married, we get responsibilities, so it gets difficult. So that makes complete sense. Which out of these four reasons make complete sense to you? यही बता दो चलो मुझे.
So can you please share the PPT again so that the participants can see the 4 options?
Yeah, actually, I'm not able to see the chat while I share. That's why.
Okay, sir.
But no problem. I'll give you time. Just
Yeah. So it would be better if the participants see that slide once more.
Acha, haven't I shared? I'm so sorry.
No,
I thought I have. Wait. Of course, let me share. ठीक है, better?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, third option you can apply exactly. Yeah, right. ठीक है. I just, I keep doing that as a teacher. आपकी आदत बन जाती है to keep nudging the students कि लिखो लिखो लिखो. But when you write now, you actually think deeper. That is why I want you guys to write. At least we're thinking about it. ठीक है. Thank you so much. अभी थोड़ा ना अभी इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट आएगा तो I'll quickly run through the PPT in quick time and so that we get more time to talk. ठीक है, and you can ask me about anything I can help with. So I'll start. I'll finish my PPT now. So basically we just learned about why and how MBA is going to be of great help, but it's not that easy, है ना? क्योंकि when you hear someone talk about his education, you don't actually research on the internet. You just go by the name. If someone tells you that, I am a graduate of IIT Delhi, I'm a graduate of postgraduate of IIM Rohtak, and you tell that, I'm doing from Jignesh School of Management. I'm not, making fun of anything. Just maybe a name that is not a brand. So branding is important, and that is what you're doing. You're actually becoming a part of a cult. For example, we all call ourselves IIM alumni, and if something turns up in Delhi, if a job opens in Delhi, everyone pan India gets a message so that they can apply. If we want some sponsors for event, we always go back to the alumni of IIM Rohtak and ask for collaborations. I'm very sure that a lot of people will be opening new startups among you guys. You get that networking when you're in your MBA, which really helps. तो देखो तीन चीजें हैं. हाँ, तो guys please अपने आप को म्यूट कर लो. So there are 3 pillars for CAT.
Vinay, please mute yourself. Vinay Girsa.
कोई बात नहीं. तो देखो basically there are 3 things. First is English language. You need to be well versed with the language. Second is the data. A lot of data, a lot of logic is required. And third is the the maths part, the quant part, which is again very very important. तो ये 3 चीजों पे we need to work on to actually clear CAT. I hope if you know about CAT, then this is something which you know already. Last year एक exception था कि 2 घंटे का पेपर हुआ.
अरे मास्क लगा ले भाई, मास्क लगा ले.
You can expect this to be of complete 3 hours जैसे कि होता है. So why do you think that they are actually judging on verbal? They're judging on DILR or quant. I'll tell you why. जब हम job पे भी जाते हैं तो it involves a lot of research. For example, if we need to make a marketing presentation for the CLAT product, we need to know what is there in CLAT. How do lawyers prepare for their degrees, and what is the market size type. So you need to be able to read, skim through the documents and actually pick out what is important and what is not. तो अगर आपको reading comprehension अच्छे से आता है ना, then you can easily ace this section. Similarly, जब भी कोई presentation चल रही है and you get a lot of financial graphs and data, so how to make useful information out of a lot of pie charts and graphs. Why are they judging you? Because a manager is supposed to have that skill. And similarly, if you're good with numbers, obviously you guys are, because you are from that background, but to be excellent with numbers, if you're talking about a 12% increase in profit, then how will it look like in the top line? So playing with the numbers is something that CAT is judging you on. So it makes sense if you think about it. The journey is long. Agar, for example, if you start preparing now, you are aiming CAT 21 November ke andar, right? But you cannot go next year because you have not completed your BCom. You need to have your degree completed before you enter into the campus. So for you guys, CAT 22 is the target. You need to start preparing for that exam. when you're preparing for CAT 22 November, you're actually, you're going to get inside the college in 23 next year, right? So what happens is you give the CAT exam, you get a percentile. From January onwards, you start getting your interviews. So it's not just about an exam, it's also about, which B school you're targeting and what kind of selection process it has. And then finally, choosing the right B school, it's not just about placements or ROI. Maybe, you like some place and you feel like maybe the capital of my country will have better startups, or, East has always been a very beautiful place I wanted to be in. So a lot of factors come in. And if you have performed well, if you're the lucky one, you will get to choose, right? So ये जो पूरी जर्नी होती है ना, इसके अंदर आप मैथ्स और इंग्लिश तो सीख ही रहे हो, उसके साथ साथ हाउ टू प्रेजेंट योरसेल्फ, हाउ टू कम्युनिकेट वेल, how to put the best foot forward. How do you do that? So you learn, कैसे इंटरव्यू में बातें करनी है, कैसे GD के अंदर अपने आप को शोकेस करना है. It's all part of the plan, right? And when you complete the three, aspects of it, then you start your actual journey, जो आप 2 साल में सीखने वाले हो और पूरी लाइफ सीखने वाले हो. मतलब उसके बाद I don't think that is the last time you will be in college, है ना? So it really sets you apart. It's a grueling journey, but it's the best journey. जो 2 साल आप MBA में सीखते हो, that is a different story. In 3-4 सालों के अंदर ना, you will see a complete transformation in yourself, which will actually help you get, ahead in life in general. So as in the starting, as we discussed, थोड़ा बहुत मैं बता देता हूँ. देखो, बहुत ही ज़्यादा इन 6 जो मैंने लिख रखे हैं, इनमें से किसी का इंटरेस्ट है क्या? मतलब ये जो 6 जोन है, इनमें से कौन कौन से आपको पता है और आपका इंटरेस्ट है, एक बार चैट में लिख के बताओ. Anil is saying economy will be better in 2022. Yes, I really hope it gets better as fast as, it can. Corporate finance. अब देखो, पता है मैंने क्यों पूछा? इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग और कॉर्पोरेट फाइनेंस और फिनटेक, काइंड ऑफ डेटा एनालिस्ट भी, ये तो ऐसे डोमेन्स है which are very hot and a lot of people are targeting. ठीक है. At the same time, I like Pranay because Pranay is into digital marketing. Pranay, digital marketing was my whole purpose of doing my MBA. I really wanted to be a marketeer and, in digital marketing. So that really pushed me to get a percentile of 98.3 in CAT 2016. तो वही आपका भी एक पुश होता है, जैसे कॉर्पोरेट फाइनेंस है, कितना कुछ पढ़ा जा सकता है कॉर्पोरेट फाइनेंस में, जिसके लिए MBA की जरूरत भी नहीं है, मैं घर पे पढ़ सकता हूँ, राइट? But when you tell that you are a graduate, postgraduate of, some IIM or FMS or Xavier's or, IIFT, look at the kind of reaction that you get. अगर आप कोई इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए भी जा रहे हो and you just show your visiting card and they see your college name with it, so they will be like, at least 5 minutes तो दे देते हैं ना बंदे को, बात तो कर ही लेते हैं, right? So that's, you're actually going not for knowledge but for that branding and general skills, and you should know where you're heading. So that is why I wrote all these 6-7 professions. A lot of MBA programs are actually enabling you to go for digital marketing if you like, to go for data analytics if you like, to go for fintech. So a general MBA degree actually opens a lot of doors. That's the whole point. अच्छा, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट स्लाइड है. कितने लोगों को ऐसे भी प्रॉब्लम आती है ना कि एक मिथ है भाई कि साइंस के स्टूडेंट्स है ना, दे गेट एन एडवांटेज इन कैट, है ना? बहुत लोगों को लगता है ना ये. मेरे पास ना एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज है, ये सुन लो, शायद कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ेगा. It's been a lot of years since I've been teaching a lot of commerce, science, arts, hotel management, अलग-अलग डिपार्टमेंट के अलग-अलग लोगों को. देखो, साइंस वाले बच्चों के पास क्या एडवांटेज होती है? एक, उनका क्वांट अच्छा होता है क्योंकि IIT की तैयारी पहले से ही करके आए हुए हैं. करेक्ट, पॉइंट टेकन. दूसरा, इन सबके पास एक CV पॉइंट होता है कि इन लोगों ने कहीं ना कहीं इंटर्नशिप करी है और उस CV पॉइंट को ये लोग बोल देते हैं, राइट? इसके अलावा और कोई एडवांटेज है क्या? आप लोगों को लगता है तो कमेंट्स में लिख के बताओ. अब देखो, आप अपनी बात करो कॉमर्स वालों की. सबसे पहला तो जो आपकी डिग्री है ना, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट इज रिलेटेड टू बिजनेस. You are well aware of how many steps it takes to open a company. You're well aware of how the different financial FSA का पहली बात तो फुल फॉर्म कोई भी इंजीनियर बता भी नहीं पाएगा. ठीक है, अभी तो हमारी क्राउड ही ऐसा है इसलिए मैं ज्यादा शो ऑफ नहीं करूंगा, बट FSA आप लोगों को ज्यादा मुझसे पता है. फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट एनालिसिस, दीज आर समथिंग जो कि फर्स्ट ईयर में ना, चाहे आप कोई भी बैकग्राउंड को, आपको भी पढ़ना पड़ता है. और इंजीनियर्स दे वांट कॉमर्स का कोई स्टूडेंट उनकी ग्रुप में, उनके टीम में आ जाए, सो दैट दे कैन सर्वाइव द कोर्स. इतना मुश्किल होता है. आई हैव बीन लाइक दैट एंड नाउ आई हैव लिटिल बिट आइडिया. एटलीस्ट आई कैन सेंस की कौन सी कंपनी अच्छा कर रही है या फिर कितना हमारा मार्केटिंग का बजट होना चाहिए. सो आई गेट दैट आइडिया. तो वो मेरा फाइनेंस का फिल हो गया MBA करते करते. सिमिलरली यू विल नो अबाउट डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, डेटा एनालिटिक्स एंड यू विल बी अ कंप्लीट पिक्चर. और तीसरा यार हार्डवर्क है. Most of you are CA aspirants. Most of you have kind of really worked hard for a dream. तो उसका तो 1/10 भी नहीं लगता CAT की प्रिपरेशन में. So instead एडवांटेज है मेरे को लगता है कॉमर्स के स्टूडेंट्स को. कितने लोगों को ये स्लाइड देख के थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस आया कि हाँ यार एडवांटेज तो हमारे पास भी है. निर्भय, ऑब्वियसली यार आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू मेक यू गाइस फील गुड. हार्डवर्क तो हर जगह ही है, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. लेकिन केवल हार्डवर्क का ही गेम है. जो भी हार्डवर्क करेगा ना, ही विल गेट थ्रू इट. ठीक है, तो ये जो होता है ना कि क्योंकि इसका साइंस बैकग्राउंड है, साइंस में भी कितने सारे अलग अलग तरह के लोग होते हैं ना. दैट्स व्हाई आई काइंड ऑफ टू मेक योर मूड बेटर, मैंने वो 3 चीजें करके उसको भारी कर दिया. बट अदर देन निर्भय, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू फील द PPT वाज ट्रू? ये वाली स्लाइड, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू अग्री विद मी? थैंक्स. अर्चित और निर्भय, 2 लोग तो बोल रहे हैं. बाकी लोग है ना यार, थोड़ा सा यस लिख दोगे ना, मेरा मूड अच्छा हो जाता है. प्लीज लिखते रहना. ठीक है, तो 2-3 स्लाइड्स और बची है, मैं उसको भी कंप्लीट कर लेता हूँ, फिर हम लोग क्वेश्चन आंसर करके आपको बाय बाय कर देंगे. ठीक है. अच्छा, ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है और ये 100% सच है. अभी तक ना मैंने ये थोड़ा बहुत काम किया हुआ है, उसके बारे में मैं कुछ बात करना चाहता हूँ. 2011 जयपुर से सीधा चंडीगढ़ आया अपनी इंजीनियरिंग करने के लिए. और 4 साल की इंजीनियरिंग के बाद जो मेरे जॉब लगा वो था होंडा मोटरसाइकिल में, जहाँ पे मैंने इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन को कैसे और एफिशिएंट बना सकते हैं उस पर 6 मंथ्स लगाए और कुछ ज्यादा खास नहीं सीखा. और ये जरूर सीख लिया कि मेरी इंजीनियरिंग इतनी स्ट्रांग नहीं है. Then I was lucky to get selected in Indian Oil Adani Gas, where I met my future wife also. Indian Oil के अंदर I worked on automation and how to budget a whole project, which involved a lot of site supervision, a lot of things that I really didn't want to go. I got most of my tanning roaming around for that project. ठीक है, अब बात करते हैं पोस्ट MBA. ठीक है, 2 years of MBA, very grueling experience. But after that, the first company that I worked with was Nurturing Green. ये ना एक दिल्ली based company है जो कि air purifying plants बेचती है. And it was a beautiful experience of 6 months where I kind of learned a lot about creative thinking, UI designing, app development, a lot of things. अच्छा, ऐप डेवलपमेंट इज समथिंग जो कि मेरे को नहीं आता, बट आई गॉट कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स जिनसे मुझे काम करवाना था. आफ्टर बिकमिंग अ मैनेजर, यू डोंट हैव टू एक्चुअली डू द टास्क, यू हैव टू गेट द टास्क डन एंड नो बिट्स एंड पार्ट्स ऑफ इट. यू कैन ऑलवेज हायर पीपल हु नोज. सेकंड है, एक प्रोजेक्ट किया था मैंने, क्लिक टू केक, एक रोहतक बेस्ड कंपनी है जो कि ऑनलाइन केक डिलीवर करती है. हम लोगों ने एक आइडिया बनाया स्मैश केक का कि बर्थडे पे फ्री में केक्स देंगे जो कि एक ऑर्डर के ऊपर होंगे. We made it viral रोहतक के अंदर और काफी अच्छा हमने डेवलपमेंट देखा ईयर ऑन ईयर. तीसरी कंपनी फ्रेशमैन अड्डा, एक ना रिक्रूटमेंट ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म है जो कि जैसे मैकडॉनल्ड्स में अगर मुझे इंटर्नशिप करनी है फ्लिपिंग बर्गर्स, जो कि अब्रॉड में होता है, तो दे वर ट्राइंग टू गेट दैट इन द मार्केट. तो उनके लिए कंटेंट लिखना, उनके लिए स्ट्रैटेजी बनाना, तो इट वाज अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस. फाइनली हिटबुल्स आए. करंटली आई एम वर्किंग विद हिटबुल्स. इट्स बीन अ लॉट ऑफ इयर्स and I love my job because it involves interacting with you guys. It involves interacting with director level people, It involves mentoring students for CAT exam, preparing them for group discussions and interviews, making videos on YouTube, a lot of things like that. So that's the kind of, I'm just giving you an experience that if you know what you want, it's easier to get it once you've done your education complete, right? अच्छा, ये बहुत लोगों को होता है भाई ऑनलाइन क्लास, तो मैं तुम्हें बता दूं अभी भी तो हम ऑनलाइन ही है, कितना बढ़िया तो है ये. मतलब व्हाई डू यू हैव टू ट्रैवल टू सी मी and then go back and then wait for the next day to come and then attend class? Everything is on a click. Once you join the community, you get your own portal, you get your own app on YouTube, Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp. Every day you get a new message. Every time you get an Insta story by me. Every 15 days we meet online. Every week you get 3-4 classes. A lot of things are happening, and they can actually, you can dictate how and why you want, when you want. So online is awesome. ठीक है, वो तो दिमाग से निकाल दो. जिसको पढ़ना होता है ना, वो ऑनलाइन बहुत आराम से पढ़ सकता है. Don't wait for things to turn back normal. This is the reality. We are living in a post-pandemic world. हाँ, ये है, देखो WhatsApp. So on WhatsApp we get different groups. हर बंदा एक बैच ज्वाइन कर लेता है. वो 10 लोग, उसके 10-15 लोग, वो उसके बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स बन जाते हैं. They keep on posting notifications and everything. We have a separate group Telegram का, जिसके ऊपर 24/7 you can ask doubts. ठीक है. So this is something for study. उसके अलावा this is the interesting part. तो अभी ना एक बार जाके YouTube पे ना सर्च करना हिट बुल्सआई, वैसे ही just see the kind of content that we are creating. We're using memes, we're using good music, funny videos to just get the message out there that how to prepare for an interview, how to get good percentile. जो बीच में है वो नमित गर्ग है, 100 percentiler, उसके साथ एक अलग सेशन किया है. This is Instagram. We have a separate team who is posting amazing content every day. So we don't believe in just teaching. We believe that you are the future managers of this country, and once you start preparing, there's no limit. It's on you how much you can transform yourself using the same resources. ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. ये सब टॉपर्स हैं. इन लोगों के साथ स्पेशल वेबिनार्स कराए हैं मैंने. ऑब्वियसली नमित की बात अलग है. ही इज लाइक 100 percentiler. राइट साइड में जो दोनों है, ये दोनों पेक्स हैं. आई एम ऑल्सो फ्रॉम पेक, सो वी हैड दैट सेपरेट बॉन्ड. वी टॉक्ड अबाउट MBA के अंदर क्या होता है. सो by the time you guys will join, they will be in their college. So maybe we will ask them how it looks like from the other end. जो लेफ्ट साइड में तीनों पिछले से पिछले साल के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, इन लोगों ने भी एक वेबिनार लिया था. सारे 99+ percentiles हैं. MDI गुड़गांव, FMS दिल्ली, IIM कैलकाटा. बिग ब्रांड्स. मे भी आप लोगों की फोटो लगा पाऊं मैं नेक्स्ट ईयर. ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, मैंने अभी ऐड किया. So this dude is Ashish Godgate, जो कि मेरे साथ MBA में था. IIM रोहतक में. We had the same strategy class. अभी पिछले month he started a startup. He's into destination wedding on Zoom. I don't know how it's gonna work, but he looked exciting और मैंने इसीलिए ऐड किया. And सोच के देखो ना, आपके बैच के लोग बिजनेस स्टार्ट करेंगे और बिल्कुल करेंगे भी. और MBA के टाइम तो और भी ज्यादा करेंगे, because MBA is all about business. तो it is motivating, right? खत्म मेरी PPT. अगर आप लोगों के पास कोई भी क्वेश्चन है, I am more than happy to make use of the last 5-10 minutes. अगर आप लोगों को लगता है I can help you in any way in your career or in your doubt about whether to do an MBA or not, let's talk one-to-one. Let's talk straight. So you can write me a mail at palash.hitbullseye@gmail.com. Other than that, if you think, if you're serious about it, please write back to me. In case you want to reach back, I also have a number I would like to share here. तो ये number जो है, ये हमारी, we have a whole counseling team who can get you know the basics. और उसके बाद भी if there is something that you think we want to discuss, so of course I am always there. तो मैं अपना email ID में लिख चुका हूँ. प्लीज आप नोट डाउन कर लो. even though you don't want to talk, नोट कर लो. क्या पता. It's palash.hitbullseye@gmail.com. and this is Sangeeta ma'am's number who can direct you to me. So 8427001707. This is the number.
So can you
मैंने
please
आपको
share it
इसमें
in the
भेजा।
chat box? Okay.
या आई जस्ट रोट इट, है ना। और मैं अपनी आईडी भी लिख देता हूँ एक बार, palash.hitbullseye@gmail.com। तो यार ये बहुत सही टाइम है, मतलब अभी इतना टेंशन भी नहीं लेनी। फाइनल ईयर में थोड़ा जॉब वॉब का भी टेंशन होगा। इफ यू स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर नाउ, एटलीस्ट यू विल हैव अ बैकअप प्लान एंड यू विल गेन सम कॉन्फिडेंस जब आप पढ़ाई कर रहे होगे, ठीक है। सो आई होप दिस सेशन हेल्प्ड। I won't exceed the time. I'll just end it here. Thank you so much for organizing it, especially all the people who were involved, especially Archit. Great, यार, मतलब amazing experience. All the students who are live अभी जल्दी से एक बार ना लिख दो अगर कोई भी चीज है जो पूछना चाहते हो, और मैं 5 मिनट वेट करूंगा। बट और कुछ अच्छा लिखना चाहते हो, इफ यू लाइक दी सेशन तो लिख दो कुछ, इट विल रियली मेक माई डे। और आई वॉन्ट कि मैं लिंक्डइन पे एक पोस्ट करूं। थैंक यू सक्षम, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर सेइंग दैट। अगर आप लोग सब 2 सेकंड के लिए अपना कैमरा ऑन कर लोगे तो वी कैन हैव अ नाइस फोटोग्राफ क्लिक्ड। कैन वी डू दैट? जितने लोग कंफर्टेबल हैं वो कर लो। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर सेइंग दैट। The pleasure is all mine. I'm glad that we did it, and you know, if I can help 1 or 2 of you, my job is done. तो इसमें Zoom की तरह वो नहीं होगा क्या? Can't we get it into the gallery mode where we can see each other and then maybe have
Sir,
a screenshot?
I don't think there is a gallery mode in this.
इसमें नहीं है ना?
No.
अच्छा, ठीक है, no problem. ठीक है फिर, let's end it on a happy note. All the best to you guys. May you do, you know, the best that you can. And I hope that we can, you know, have some other session on some other day, some other mood. So, ठीक है. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for joining in and sharing your insights on CAT and MBA. We had a really fun time. Thank you.
Thank you.